Here's how to perform a media feed adjustment. When setting up any new media, it is required that you do a media feed adjustment. On the control panel of the printer, select your media, select Print Adjustments, Media Feed Adjustment, and you can select Manual, Standard, or Manual Measurement. Manual Standard focuses on print quality. Manual Measurement focuses more on length accuracy. In most cases, you're going to choose Manual Standard for print quality and hit Start. At that point, it should start printing. Once it is done printing, press the Cut button. It will advance the media. It will cut the media. Once the print is completed, examine the print and select the pattern that exhibits the least banding and the most solid density. So if you look, we have two different adjustments, adjustment 1A and 1B. 1A, if I look at it by selecting it as +2, 1B is a little more difficult because -1 and 0 have about the same appearance. On the control panel of the printer, I can select half numbers. So on 1A was +2. I'm going to scroll to +0.2. And adjustment B, I can go to 0.05, whereas on the print it just shows -0 or -1. I can select the halfway in the middle, select OK, and OK. Third time to complete.